Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change audio language Netflix application in computer. So how to change audio language Netflix application in computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Netflix application on your computer. Now this is on the initial Netflix display. Here it is already on the initial display of the Netflix application. Let's just run the film first. Here search a film. I will run this film. Now here it is already in the film that I am running. Here to change the audio language of this film. The method is to direct the cursor down. And several icon options will appear. Tap the subtitle icon or the icon that I indicate with the arrow. Now here there are several icon options that you can use. To change the audio language, tap the icon like this message. Now here there are two options, namely audio and subtitles. Because it will change the audio language. In the audio section here there are many languages from various countries. Tap to select the language of the country to be used. So that's it, the tutorial how to change audio language Netflix application in computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.